Chicken broccoli and carrots is fairly easy to put together and it's delicious on any day of the week. For this quick and easy recipe, I'm using boneless chicken thighs which has been cut into fairly good size for a bite. The vegetables, that is the broccoli, carrots, peppers and onions, have been pre-blanched to quicken the cooking and also set the color. I'm going to finish the dish with some soy sauce and balsamic for color and also some umami. Just a quick rundown for the ingredients to go with the dish: ginger, garlic, orange bell peppers, white onions, broccoli, carrots, some frozen peas, and these are broccoli stems that I just peeled. We are also going to use them. And for the chicken, I'm using these boneless chicken thighs which I cut into nice bite size. Let's go start the cooking. Into this pot with salted boiling water, add the carrots. Once the carrots have started softening, add the bell peppers, white onions, bring back to a boil. Also at this point, add the broccoli stems. A good time to add the broccoli. Finish with the frozen peas. Everything here is ready to come out. All ingredients in this recipe will be in the description box. This goes into a nice bath. Into this hot pan, vegetable oil, and start searing the chicken in batches. Chicken in. One layer. Touch salt and pepper. Turn this chicken once it slightly starts browning. Remove and sear the other batch. The second batch of the chicken is all seared. Bring back the first one and reserve these juices. Into the pan, garlic, ginger. Sweat for about a minute or so. Soy sauce, balsamic. Coat all the chicken. Just a touch honey to cut the acidity, optional. Into the pan, the blanched vegetables. Stir everything all together. All we are doing is finish cooking the chicken and rewarm the vegetables. Add the reserved juices from the chicken. Finish with some fresh parsley or cilantro and some green onions or scallions. Turn off the heat, stir. Ready to serve. Serve this delicious chicken and broccoli with carrots, some peas, just as is, or with a side of rice. And you got yourself a delicious dish that you can enjoy on any day of the week. Just a touch of this juice. And there you have it. Some chicken and broccoli. So good. So friends, there you have it, a quick and easy chicken, broccoli, carrots, peppers and onions, a dish that you can do on any day of the week and you and your family will definitely enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching this one. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Just please remember, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.